Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. And today's video is all going to be about making money online listening to music. And apparently for this particular video that we're going to be following, it claims that we're going to be able to earn $6 per song. So we're going to find out if it's true or not. I'm going to follow step by step exactly what it says. And I'm going to see whether whatever it says is true or not. All right, so enough talking and let's do this.
Listen to just one song, and you will earn $6. If you listen to 2 songs, you will make $12. Listen to 20 songs, and you will earn $120, and so on, over and over again. And as you can see here, I have already made over $800 with this platform, just by listening to music. So now, the first thing you will need to do, is go to the search bar, and type this website's name. It's called Jamendo.com. Here is the payment proof of people that are making money with this method every single day. This person here just made $25 today. This one just made $34. This one made $21. And the list goes on and on. But first, let's create your free account here. And to do that, just click where it says Login.
Alright, so we are at the website that he claims that will earn us $6 per song. And the website is called Jamendo.com. So here we are. And I'm gonna go ahead and click start. And this is what it is at the dashboard, the homepage. So we're gonna go ahead and log in over here at the top right corner. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up and I'll let you guys know after I sign up. Alright, so I'm done signing up and this is the dashboard. So we're gonna go ahead and resume with the video and see what we have to do next.
And these songs up here is what will make us money. Now, just click here where it says More. So it show us all songs on the website. Their website works worldwide, so today's method will work for you, no matter where you live in the world. So, here is the first tip for you. Go ahead and click where it says All Genres. The one that I personally use and recommend is the pop genre, which is where you can most likely make more money. Just keep this option on all countries. And also keep this other option just as it is.
Alright, so basically what that person was saying is that once you're at the dashboard, you can go ahead and listen to all the songs over here. And apparently the songs over here are free to download. So we just have to go ahead and find music or songs that are popular. And genres, we're gonna go with pop. So over here, all of these are the music that is available for us. You can click over here to expand. And this is for the pop section with all of the countries. So as you can see over here, there's a lot of music that is all under pop. So over here, we just have to find music that we enjoy listening to that people would most likely enjoy as well. So just give it a listen. I will see which one I enjoy.
We can even do a quick search here on Google, and you will see for yourself that the pop genre is ranked number 1. Also, try to download as many songs as you can, because the more songs you download, the more money you will make.
Alright, so I've listened to most of the music over here, and I've ended up with, I guess, the first one, which is this particular one. So I've went ahead and downloaded this particular song, and we're gonna go ahead and see what is the next step.
3upload.com. Now, I want you to pay attention with me here, so you can do this correctly. As you can see here, I have already made over $800 myself with this method, and will very soon hit $1,000, so just follow what I do. Now, let me go to the homepage to show you how this works. So basically, what this website does is that it will pay us money to share our music files. And as it says here, upload and share, and then you make money.
Alright, so I got a little excited and I didn't exactly finish whatever he has to say, and I actually went ahead to check out the website that he was mentioning about, which is 3upload.com. So as you can see over here, if I were to give it a click, oh man, the website is being blocked due to riskware. My antivirus software strongly recommends me to not continue. I may be putting my safety at risk by visiting this site. So, you know what? I am not going to continue to this website. For this particular video, it does not work because it is infected by riskware. So let's be smart around here and let's not get too desperate for the $6. But nevertheless, I'm gonna try and attempt to find another video which allows us to earn money just by listening to music. So let's not give up. I'm not gonna give up just yet. I'm gonna try my best to earn $6 for you guys. Alright, I'm gonna try it out. So I'll be back with a new video, and yeah, let's resume this.